Write an expression to represent 4 minus the product of 1 and a number x. 4 minus 1 times x, so it's basically 4 minus x. Write an expression to represent the sum of 4 plus the product of 3 and the number x, so 3x. So 3 times x. 3 times x is the product of 3 and the number x. Okay. Write an expression to represent 8 less than the product of 2 and a number x. So the product of 2 and the number x is 2x, and I need the expression to represent 8 less than that. So it's 2x minus 8. 8 less than the product. So first I calculate the product of 2x, and then I subtract 8. And then I get a value that is 8 less than the product. 2x minus 8. Okay. Write an expression to represent 8 more than the product of 2 and the number x. Okay, so it's 2x plus 8. Write an expression to represent 1 minus the quotient. 1 minus the quotient of 1 and the number x. So 1 over x. 1 minus the quotient of 1 and the number x. Write an expression to represent the sum of 1. So 1 plus the sum of 1 and the product of 1 and the number x. So the product of 1 and the number x is 1x, or simply x. So 1 plus x. Write an expression to represent 4 less than the quotient of a number x and 5. Okay, so the first I need the expression to represent this part, the quotient of a number x and 5. So this is the quotient of the number x and 5. X divided by 5, or x over 5. And from this, I need to subtract 4, because the expression needs to represent 4 less than the quotient. So first, I calculate the quotient of number x and 5, and then I subtract 4. So I get 4 less than the quotient. Okay. Good. Okay. So next I will learn this section, writing basic algebraic expressions and word programs. And after I will learn this section, I will do this practice. So I will see you in the next video.